Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for learning and study notes. To begin, open your web browser and search for Claude AI Login. This is the quickest way to find the official sign-in page if you do not already have it bookmarked. When the search results appear, look for the official Claude sign-in page and open it. It is always a good idea to make sure you are selecting the correct website before entering any account information. Once you are on the Claude sign-in page, sign into your account. After logging in successfully, you will be taken into the Claude workspace, where you can start creating prompts and getting helpful responses for studying. If this is your first time using the platform, take a moment to notice the main layout, especially the side menu and the message box area, since those are the key areas you will use in this process. Next, go to the side menu and click on New Chat. Starting a fresh chat helps keep your study session focused and organized. This is especially useful when you want Claude to generate notes on a specific subject without mixing them with previous conversations. Now click into the typing box and enter your study request. In this example, type a prompt asking Claude to help you understand the topic of calculus step by step, create organized study notes with clear headings, simple explanations, and key formulas, include examples for derivatives and integrals, explain each step in an easy-to-understand way for beginners, and add a short 5-question quiz at the end for practice. Also, ask it to keep the explanations simple and easy to remember for exams. A detailed prompt like this is helpful because it tells Claude exactly what kind of output you want, which usually leads to clearer and more useful notes. After entering the prompt, click the arrow up button beside the typing box to send it and generate the response. Claude will then begin creating the study notes based on your request. Depending on your connection and the length of the prompt, this may take a few moments. Once the response appears, you will have your learning and study notes ready to review. These notes can help you break down difficult topics into simpler ideas, give you formulas and examples to study, and even include a short quiz for extra practice. This makes Claude a useful tool for exam preparation, concept review, and building a more structured study routine. That's how to use Claude AI for learning and study notes.